welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shokwe. I know it's been a very long time. How are you doing? So today I'm going to be sampling cakes and pastries in London. Look forward to my feedback. So all of these places are at Tower Hill, so I didn't have to take underground train to any other place. I had to like walk about 10 minutes thereabout to the first place. It was quite cold. So this is the first place. It's Aux Merveilleux de Fred. I think they have different branch. It's a French bakery, so I just got like 2 things of the same different flavors. So I really don't remember what the name is, but this was it. So the packaging of this was very cute, really small, but I'll say it's too expensive for the price. One of it was like about £4.29 thereabout. And the thing with this place is the dining price is different from the takeaway price. So dining price is usually more expensive than the takeaway price. And this tasted like meringue coated in chocolate and stuffed with macarons. They had the dark chocolate and the white chocolate, so I just sampled both of them. They tasted really nice but kind of sugary. So I'm walking to the other place now. The other place was like 15 minutes from the first place. It was really cold. I'm putting on gloves. But hi, so this is the second cake shop I'm going to be sampling. What I like about this, from the outside it looks very beautiful. So please, let's go and sample some cakes. This shop really had different options. Honestly, I didn't know which one to pick, so I just picked lemon cake and brownie. The lemon cake tasted really nice. I was tempted not to finish it at the spot, so I'm going to rate this cake shop rather. I rate this cake shop about 9/10. The brownie was very foggy and very, it was just perfect, and it had like chocolates in between, like typical brownie. Tasted really nice. Dining price is more than the takeaway price. So this is me going to the next shop. Paul, that's the name of this next shop. It's just like the next shop to Condito, so it's on Bow Lane as well. This Bow Lane is usually very busy. So this Paul place had different options. That croissant, that sandwiches, different options for you to choose. I wanted to get cheesecake here, but they said they don't sell slices of cheesecake, so I just got like 2 slices of cake, chocolate cake and one other sponge cake.
Alright, cool.
So it's more of the frosting compared to the cake. Like the ratio of the frosting and the cake, the frosting is more than the cake, and it's nice, but I feel like there's too much of cream in it.
Rating of Paul will be same thing for Konditor. I'll rate Paul 9/10. I was trying to also check some other shop, but it was quite not bubbly, so, and the security was not friendly. Butterscotch is the name of the other place. And please, I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.